Engine is in.
Hey guys, so just received a call from Ritesh and he says that they're currently fitting the engine. Unfortunately, I don't have enough time to go capture the whole moment because I actually have to be busy with something else. So we only have about 20 minutes and yeah, I'm just gonna quickly rush there, see what we can get and then we'll come back.
But before we do that, let me fill you in on what else has been happening behind the scenes. And yep, as expected from a 30-year-old car, we found the notorious E30 rust on the floor of the driver's side.
So like I mentioned, I think I've touched on everything with you guys that when you buy an E30, expect this is nothing unusual about these cars. I mean, this car's 30-year-old car, so you must be expecting rust here and there. Of which this I think is not that bad. I've seen a lot worse, but yeah, so let's cut out that piece there, then we're gonna be replacing it.
And so it was time to cut and replace the small rusted portion. If you're interested to see the rest of what was done to protect the floor from further rust, then consider subscribing. Now, back to the engine. When I got there, the engine was hooked up to an engine stand and was ready to be bolted up in its place. The entire process took about 2 hours, as it was just bolting it up to the mountings and making sure that it was sitting right. Man, did that M20 look right at home in that engine bay. A lot of work has been put into this build, and I couldn't have asked for anyone else to do the job but Ritesh, the magician himself. In the next video, we should have all the wires hooked up, and hopefully we'll give it its first start.